Yo, what is good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy, Given. We're back again today, guys. We're about to check out NAMJOO. We're skipping a little ahead in the future because this is a solo. We can afford to do that. It's not a group MV. It's a solo. We can afford to do that. Okay. What am I doing? What am I doing with my life? Anyway, whatever. Guys, we're about to check this out. NAMJOO Bird. She's like, you know, this is what we're about to do, guys. NAMJOO Bird. Let's check this out. I'm making sounds for no reason. Let's jump right in. All right. Yeah, she's laid out. Woo! Hey now. Say now. It's about to go down now. Okay, let's see what she has to say. Yo, volume too high. Aye. NAMJOO. Nah, off rep. Put some respect. Hit that like button right now. Because it's about to go off. Hit that like button right now. Don't waste my time. Hit the like button. Let's get back into it because this is about to be fire. How it started? Heat. Oh, come on, baby. Yo, she crawling. Come on. Ooh. Yo, whoa. Comments, hit the fire emojis in the comments, guys. Yo, are you seeing? Did you see? She basically said, babe, hold my phone, hold my cup. I'm about to go off. She took her earrings off and she said, bro, I'm about to stunt on all of you fools. Bro, we don't deserve this. We don't deserve NAMJOO crawling like, bro, that's crazy. I gotta relax. That's clean. Put some respect. That's clean. Yo, are you seeing these visuals? Yo, this is clean. She said birdie, yeah, bruh. Yo. You heard the lady. Put those fire emojis down in the chat below. Bro, just do it. This is crazy. Oh, hey. NAMJOO, let him know. Ooh. No, she's killing it. Are you seeing how she's looking too, bro? Come on. Yo, she's never looked this clean before. Like, yo, she's looking too. Yo, someone hold my cup, baby. What are you saying, bro? What it do, baby? Ooh. I never thought I would say this, but I never thought I'd live to see the day when NAMJOO was wet. What? Let's move on. Yeah, I said that. This is mud. She's looking too clean. Yo, nah. This might be one of my favorite songs from A-Pink, period. Now this hook, put some respect. This hook, nah, put some respect. Wow. Ooh. Are you? No. no, 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 no. Did you hear the vocals on that? The way she went off, bro. She went off. Come on, NAMJOO. No, this is two. This is next level stuff right here. Next level stuff. This is next level stuff. This might be my favorite, if not like top two, top three. A Pink, period. Bruh, I didn't know she had this in her, bro. What the hell was I watching, bruh? She was looking good. She was singing phenomenally. She was dancing exceptionally. Right, I honestly don't know. This whole thing was my favorite. The hook is just criminal. The beginning, criminal. I need a warrant out for her arrest because that was just unacceptable. That was unacceptable. You can't be doing this to people like that. Like, what did we do to deserve all this? Bruh, I'm still on the journey, so we'll find out what we did to deserve this. But whew, she came through. She slayed, and she slayed hard. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite bit was, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.